Funky down.
G'day guys, David here from Geekbyte, and today we're going to be unboxing the Point of View Universal Smartphone Neck Mount from Elixir. So you guys have seen a couple videos from me so far on Elixir products. There was that pen that breaks windows, and there was the Elixir Light Cube, but this particular product is something a little bit more simple. So the Point of View Universal Smartphone Neck Mount is pretty self-explanatory, and you can actually tell basically what it is from this image on the front here with this smug looking character. He looks very proud of himself to have a Point of View Universal Smartphone Mount, and why wouldn't he be? On another note, am I the only one that thinks this guy looks like he just burnt down someone's house and he's the only one that knows about it? It also says that you can capture video or live stream the world around you as if through your own eyes. That would be true only if your eyes were down here, but as I've been told by many women on many occasions, no, your eyes are not down here, they're up here. Yeah, no, that's probably not going to look like it's coming through your own eyes, but I get what they mean. It's from your sort of perspective. You're looking out from your own body. That kind of makes sense, I suppose. Compatible with your smartphone's front or rear cameras, easy to use, lightweight, case compatible, also acts as a media viewing stand when placed on a flat surface. Okay, it seems like they're trying to squeeze out a lot of different features out of something that's pretty simple. So let's open this up and try it out as the smartphone neck mount and see whether it's something that could actually be useful. No stickers whatsoever, no instructions, very simple, just a box and the Elixir Point of View Universal Smartphone Neck Mount. Good. I'm guessing this is pretty straightforward. Just fold out that. Yep, that stretches out. So I'll pull out my phone right now and we will put it in here. Now, it does say you can use any phone with this, but it might be a little bit tight if you've got a phablet. But for my phone, my obsolete iPhone 5S, it seems to work just fine. See that? That's you guys. I must say, it does actually, I thought it would be quite uncomfortable, but this is actually pretty comfortable to have around your neck. So this is what it looks like from the point of view. You know what? I actually think this could be quite useful for a vlog. I can imagine it now. So there you go. If you're making some sort of point of view movie, then the point of view could actually be quite useful. If you want to buy yourself a point of view, you can tap the link in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.